What's up, guys? Stevie J here with Beyond the Details. I got another unboxing slash first impressions for you guys. What I have for you today is going to be the iPad. What's up, guys? Stevie J here with Beyond the Details. I have another unboxing slash product review for you guys. What I have for you this morning is going to be the AirPod Maxes in Space Gray. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, let you guys know what my first impressions are. I am going to go ahead and connect it to the iPad mini and just show you guys how seamless it is to connect, as I'm sure it's going to be just as easy as the AirPod Pros. I have had a pair of these before. I ended up returning them because I just thought that, you know, the $600 price tag was just too much. The price is on sale now for $449.99, which I thought was much more bearable, so I decided to go ahead and make the plunge and own it this time. So let me here's my unboxing. Okay, so comparing it to the iPad mini, it's actually a very large box. It's about twice the size, close to it, of the iPad mini. Comparing it to the M1 12.9 iPad Pro, you can see that the box is slightly smaller, and the circumference obviously is relatively thick. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up. Traditional Apple. I've been watching some videos on fakes. I wouldn't buy this anywhere. That's not a actual retailer. That's just my opinion. You can do what you want, obviously, but you know, there's some pretty good fakes going out. So this was purchased from Walmart, actually. They had it on sale for $449.99, which a lot of other retailers followed suit. I see Best Buy has it like that now, Target. So, but anyway. Okay. So as you see, when you open it, the first thing you're going to see are the AirPod Maxes in the carrying case. They have this. Go ahead and get this paper off. Put this to the side for now. You're going to get the traditional Apple paperwork. Doesn't look like they have the Apple sticker in here, which I'm surprised because this is, if I remember correctly, you got a sticker even in AirPod Pros, but I may be mistaken. It's been a little while since I've got those, but I'm going to put the paperwork in here. And then it comes with your Lightning adapter because for whatever reason, Apple decided to use Lightning and not USB-C, just so I could assume the next iteration is going to have it. And then I'll put this to the side also. And then these are the AirPod Maxes. A lot of people's complaints is that the case doesn't protect it, you know, here, or here, which is pretty awkward for Apple to make a blundering mistake like this, but it is what it is. Just be very careful with this when you're putting it in cases or whatnot. It's really not rocket science. Check these off. The first thing about these, and the reason why I bought these headphones, is the feel. I'm very big on things that feel cheap, and the XM4s, the Bose 700s, which are the other two, I guess, more popular headphones in this price range, they feel cheap. They're made out of plastic for the most part, and it's just a horrible feel to spend $300-400 and not be happy with, feel like, oh, this feels cheap. So the main reason I got these is, you know, they obviously sound great and whatnot, but I'm big on the feel. These feel premium. I'm not a big fan of how they look, just to be honest, but they feel premium. As you know, the cuffs are removable, very simple. They gently magnetize in. Very nice mechanic as far as going in and out. And my initial impressions on these are they feel amazing. Again, I'm not a big fan of how they look, but as far as the materials they use and the feel, they feel great. I can almost guarantee you that on the next iteration, Apple is going to make them much more attractive headphones. I really don't know who thought these looked good. frankly, and when you're buying headphones like these, yes, some individuals who know what they are, but you want people to know these are the Apple AirPod Maxes. There's no Apple logo anywhere. For the most part, like even my wife was like, "Oh, I didn't even know Apple had over-the-ear headphones." Well, okay, well, great. When I'm spending this amount of money, it's not showing off, but I want everyone to know, hey, I have the AirPod Maxes. Anyway, go ahead and open this up, and what I want to do is pair these. Didn't automatically pick it up. I mean, maybe it did, but the green light is flashing. But under the Bluetooth settings, it stopped going up. So what I will do is I'm gonna put it in the case, because I know how Apple products work. Maybe this will trigger it. I'll put it into the case. Which it doesn't turn off. I'm sure you guys probably have read the reviews. If not, these don't turn off. For whatever reason, Apple designed them like that. This just puts me in a low power state. And as soon as I did that, it pulled up. So it probably would have did it if I had the iPad mini already, but I didn't, so it is what it is. Then it's going through a little tutorial. It's telling you that, you know, this button up here is on the right ear cuffs. This button here is going to be your noise cancellation. What's the next little prompt? Control center. Please press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Announce calls and notifications. And then it just lets you know. It says Apple AirPod Maxes too, because of the original ones that I returned after a day. But these are $69, but they come with charge, which is surprising since they're only in a low power state. But that just shows that, you know, these are actually, the low power state obviously does something. And yeah, that fast, just like if you had some AirPod Pros or some AirPods, or even if you have an Apple TV and you've had experience with that, Apple products, they're very seamless with each other. So as soon as you take these out of the boxes, you have your Apple product next to it, and you take it out of the case, it's going to be able to connect, and it's going to be very simple for you to do so if you guys go to races. That was my unboxing on the, a lot of people talk about this material right here, and I actually really like it. The only problem I see is this being very easily damaged. Say your pen or just anything causes a rip right here, I could see that being a big issue for the price of the headphones. I don't know why they would have made this material right here. I'm guessing they feel people are just going to leave these on the desk. I don't know. Again, I'm very happy with the purchase. Again, I've already owned these, just made the plunge. I'm sure they're going to come out with a second iteration, and then, you know, from there I can probably just sell these for $300 or something like that, you know, so, or $350, it is what it is. But yeah, these are probably the most premium feeling headphones that you're going to buy on a consumer level. I'm sure there probably are some better headphones, you know, for the audiophiles that use, you know, this aluminum or whatever you want to consider this material. I'm not a big fan of plastic. I don't care if these are just a little bit heavier. This is the feel I want out of headphones. If headphones come out feeling like this, I will spend $400, $500, $600. This is what I want my headphones to feel like. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay blessed.